How to share Google Form edit link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how you can share Google Form edit link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google Form in your device. After that, you have to open up the form where you want to share the edit link. So once you have opened up your form, head towards the top right corner. There is this share icon. You have to click on it. Now under general access, there is an option as editor view. You have to click on this drop down, and if you have selected restricted, make sure to select anyone with the link. Once you have done that, now you can add or allow access to people by adding the people to your Gmail account right here, or you can simply share the link to this form and anyone with the link will be able to edit your form. So that's the way to share the Google Form edit link, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.